Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by choosing one monetizable niche that fits your knowledge and audience demand. Once chosen, validate it. Check 3 to 5 competitors and search volume to ensure buyers exist. Make sure to define concrete goals, $500 per month, target audience size, and 3 content pillars so you can measure progress. Then, set up a simple, fast site and email capture. Don't overbuild. Begin publishing pillar posts and an opt-in within the first 2 weeks to start traffic and list building immediately. Once you have pillars live, focus on distribution and offers. You publish 2 pillar posts and 3 related follow-ups weekly, while promoting via email, SEO, and 1 paid channel to accelerate growth. Meanwhile, create a lead magnet that solves a specific pain and an inexpensive entry offer, like a $7 guide or mini course, to convert subscribers. Make sure to test pricing and messaging, track conversion rates, and double down on channels that return fastest. Keep iterating content and funnels until you see repeatable sales. Now scale and diversify income streams. You hire freelancers, build a 30 to 60-day content calendar, and add sponsorships, affiliate funnels, full courses, or consulting. Make sure to document processes and automate outreach and onboarding so revenue doesn't bottleneck on you. If revenue or traffic stalls, audit 3 areas: headline click-through, landing page conversion, and traffic source quality. Fix the weakest spot. Run 1/B test at a time, and keep a simple checklist to diagnose issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.